Left punch smaller, right punch bigger. If any punches go wrong, the whole tree is invalid. This is LeetCode 98 and we have to determine if the binary tree is valid or not. Binary tree only has one rule. Left value should be smaller, right value should be bigger. If we look at this tree, the root node is 2, the left value is 1 which is smaller than 2 which is correct. The right value is greater than 2 which is 3. So this is a valid binary tree. If we look at this tree, the root value is 5. The left value is 2 which is less than 5 which is correct. The right value is greater than 5, 7. Now we come down, we can see 3 here. 3 is less than 7 which is correct, but 3 is less than 5 as well. It should come here. So this is not a valid binary tree. Let's determine the algorithm for a valid binary tree. So this is our root node. This root node can be anything between minus infinity to our value to plus infinity. This value can be anything. If we go to the left of the root node, this value cannot be greater than 5. So this should be our value less than 5 and minus infinity. If we go to the right of our binary tree, we can see that its value should be greater than 5 and plus infinity. If we go to our left, we can see this value should be greater than 5 because 5 is our root node, and this value should be less than 7, which it violates. So this is not a valid binary tree. This is our code. Please take a screenshot. As in this code, we can see we are checking the high and the low for every node value for each recursion. If you find any issue in the code, please comment in the comment section. And for more tips and tricks, please follow my channel Coding Fundamentals.